All right, I'm on Emirates finally. Yeah. Thank you. Finally made it behind the bar, so I'm in charge. What can I get you? So I'm just about to board the A380 business class and I'm so excited. Emirates, here we come. Hi. All right, I'm on Emirates finally. Yeah. Thank you so much. Okay, so I go upstairs.
You're already upstairs.
Oh, I am already upstairs. Oh, wow. So I flew up. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so I'm sitting on the roof today. Hi, I'm number 9.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Are you okay with me doing this?
Of course.
Okay, sure, okay. Thank you so much.
9A, right?
9A, yes.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
No worries.
It's absolutely fantastic. I love it. The seat is not as private as the Qatar suites because there's no dome, but it's very comfortable. Let me show you what I'm seeing. So, awesome big screen, lots of room for your feet to land down there, and you got like lots of storage here. Oops, can't seem to open, so probably they gave me this one. Let's have a look. You got the pad in here, slippers, and eye mask, and these are the noise cancelling, and you got your own little mini bar. So I got a Perrier, an Aviation, 7-Up there, and a Pepsi, remote, your power. Hi guys, I'm in the Onboard lounge. So let me show you. I'm the only one here, so luckily I can show you what it looks like. So you got your snacks, big screen TV, table, seats, and you have seat belts, and the bar. It's really amazing. You got all the drinks here, so yeah, beautiful place to be. Hang around, cakes, champagne. Finally made it behind the bar, so I'm in charge. What can I get you? What can I get you? Let me know. So yeah, guys, this is amazing. I've had an amazing flight so far. The crew here is amazing. So I blame myself for not flying Emirates for that long. So Emirates, I'm gonna be flying you a lot. Thank you so much. Hey guys, so I got myself a mojito, Persian mojito. So it's a mocktail. I don't drink alcohol, so they made it for me in the bar. Absolutely amazing, really nice. So Emirates, recommended. You cannot get this anywhere else. Having a bar, an onboard lounge. So I'm enjoying this. It's really nice. So let me take that to my seat because they are serving breakfast soon, and we'll book for my seats. Hi guys. So I'm having my first meal. So let's see what the stir-fried chicken tastes like. Got a cutlery. Yeah, let's dig in with a spoon. I think. Don't mess around. The fried rice was absolutely amazing. You can see. Yum. Cashew. Well, cashew is soft. I was expecting like crunchy cashew, but it's very soft. Chicken, big pieces of chicken. Super flavorsome. It tastes like something else that we have in Singapore. Just let me think. Doesn't really taste like stir-fried chicken, but the rice is yummy. Chicken is nice. I just can't think of the dish. Um, what is it? What is it? What is it? You know when you have the oyster with the kailan and the garlic kailan, that's what it tastes like. It's that sauce. So if you have like kailan with garlic, that's exactly what the sauce tastes like, but it's chicken. So I do love that dish, the kailan with garlic, and this reminds me of this of that. Uh, can even show you the sauce. It's got very similar sort of consistency. Mm, it's nice. Anyway, hey guys, I'm gonna show you what's inside this kit. So we got slippers and eye mask. Let's have a look. It's actually sealed. Okay, here we go. I just had to snip the seal. So slippers. Actually, they're very nice. So you got this. It's like a slip-on, basically. So you can slip it on. It's amazing. And eye masks. So they're quite padded as well. They're quite nice. Let me show you. So there you go. You can't see anything. And I showed you that managing kit earlier, so make sure you watch that video. Again, if you have enough subscribers, I'm going to give all this away. How many subscribers? I'll let you know. Let me have a think and let us set a number. So if we can reach that number, then we can do giveaways and we'll ship it to wherever you are in the world. Okay guys, I think they're gonna serve breakfast shortly, so I should go back to my seat. So I'm getting my brekkie. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you so much. Okay guys, so breakfast is here. I went for the omelette. So you have a nice omelette, sausage, fruit platter, a croissant, butter, jam, and I'm 100% certain you'll probably come back and offer me some bread. Let you guys take a look. See my brekkie. So there you go. I added an apple juice and a black coffee, and I haven't finished it. Sparkling water, Perrier. So yeah, I've already taken pictures of the meal. So now we just need to try it and see what it tastes like. So real cutlery, not plastic. So I cannot cover myself fully because of the mic. I need the mic, so you guys need to hear me. I need to give you my honest opinion. So let me bring this a little bit to the left. Actually, don't worry about this. I won't spill it. So the omelette. Okay. Super cheesy. And you know me by now. Things that I like are burgers, cheese, steak. So cheese is definitely one of the things that I love. And the sausage, it looks like it's got a bit of spice in it. I'm right. It reminds me of the English breakfast, the sausage. That's what it reminds me of. It's nice. And then you got potatoes and caramelized onion, but I'm not into caramelized onion, and tomato. Potatoes okay. Nothing to rave about, but I mean, just a potato. But the omelette is yummy. I'll have the omelette and having noodles, but because I already had the Asian choice earlier on, so as mentioned, I wanted to have the Western choice for breakfast. And these were mushrooms. Let me show you. Sauteed. Nice. Do some bread and a crispy croissant. Nice and crispy, very buttery, a little bit burnt, which I like. Breakfast. Is it amazing? No, I mean, but it's a nice breakfast, yes. And you got a fruit platter as well. Have that later. So yeah, all in all, I enjoyed my flights. The crew is amazing. They make you feel welcome. Not just me, I can see them with everybody. They have got a lot of crew on board, just on the upper deck on the A380. So yeah, Emirates is very, very good. I want to say excellent. I've enjoyed it. The only thing that I had trouble with, but that's just me though, because I'm quite broad shoulders. When I lie down all the way, I can't sort of move. I'm stuck. But I found a solution. You just tilt, or lift the seat up a little bit, so you're kind of sleeping in a little bit of a slope, which is a lot of airlines anyway. Business class, you sleep, but I mean, you're not sort of, that in an angle, it's just a little bit. So, you got some space for your shoulder, or you sleep on your side. I've seen a few people sort of, around my size, sleeping on their side. So it's not a big problem. Most people wouldn't even find that a problem. It's very comfortable, especially the footwell is huge. So when you fly other airlines, the footwell is very small. You cannot move your feet, and it becomes annoying. But here, the footwell is huge. So enjoyed the flight. I think we have another 2 hours or so to go, or maybe an hour and a half to go, and then I'll be in Dubai for 4 hours, and another A380 to Frankfurt. So yeah, so we have a lot of content to shoot. on the way back, again, we got 2 sectors, but I'll be staying in Dubai for about 3 days. Yeah, and we can see what else we can do in Dubai. Dubai is a lot of stuff to do, so let us see what we can do. I'll try to do a bit different this time. Maybe we can go to Abu Dhabi. Let us see. Abu Dhabi will be nice. Go and have a look at the Grand Mosque and the shopping. I've never been. I've been once, but it was arrived and left straight away. So I just drove through Abu Dhabi. I haven't been in Abu Dhabi, if that makes any sense. Okay guys, so I'll finish the meal so they can clear my tray. Thank you so much for watching. Hey guys, so the crew is so nice, and they just offered me some of the dates and nougat that they give to first class. So this is a salty caramel, and I have the picture of it as well. So let me try it and let you know.
What's in your place? What's in it?
You can actually see the salt. Yeah, that is so yummy. And this is an nougat.
Get up, remember to give me, right? When I'm going off,
Very nice.
please give me.
The crew is absolutely amazing. They're friendly. They will interact with you, help you out.
Yes, please.
I must admit, this is the best crew that I've ever flown with in my life. This is the K353, if the person is watching, business class on April 10th from Singapore to Dubai. Obviously, you'll know this is 353. April 10th, 2024. Amazing crew guys. They made me fall in love with Emirates. Look, an airplane is an airplane, a seat is a seat. So what makes a difference is the service. And I had amazing service. They looked after me. I am nobody in terms of social media. I only got 50 subscribers, but they treating everybody the same. They just make you feel welcome. So my head off to Emirates. Cheers, guys. Amazing.